We're here in N1 Chai, so we're going to take vlog here. So guys, welcome ulit again to the Hatisness vlog. And here, we're here. Wow, so nice. Oh, look at guys. Oh, look at that guys. Guys, ang tao dito sobrang dami dahil po sa display na to kasi ang daming nagpapapicture dito guys. So ayan, nandito rin po tayo mga kapatid, nag video so daming tao guys, kapalan tayo ng mukha o mag-pick ng videos for the vlog, fight! So marami tayong mga kababayan dito, tatambay nakaupo. Let's go for the fight! Yan, maraming tao dito guys. So you can see here, this is the end point kung galing kayo sa MTR at ito yung starting point kung galing kayo dito banda. So yan, as you can see, maraming taong nagpapapicture. So that's the Mid-Autumn Festival here in Hong Kong. So we're here, end of the, so we're tayo sa road. Yan, post change. I'm going to, pabalik na po ako dun sa ako nang galing. So, yan, pinasyalan lang po natin to mga kapatid. So, ayan nga po to. So, ayan mga kapatid. So, hope you enjoy this video, guys. So, we'll be going to the other side again. Other side. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta. And we'll go and check some views here. Hiya guys. Yes. Pauwi pa lang po ako kasi napadaan ako dun sa isang store at napabili tuloy ako ng kung ano-ano na naman. My God, mga kahatis. Yun naman ang ayaw ko eh. Kasi napapabili ako ng kung ano-ano. So, yun mga kapatid. So, we're still here in One Try. We're now inside MTR. So, we'll be going home now to Yong Mate. To Yong Mate. So, nakabili ako ng aking mga doon. Yung mga mga panty, yung back tee, and then some panty. We're going home now. So Kennedy, this one is going to Taiwan. This side and here we'll be going there to Kennedy Town. Going there. Here, Kennedy Town. Yung sabi ko mga kapatid ko, napunta lang po ako dito sa may lantern display. Ayan, napunta ako sa market. So ngayon, pauwi pa lang po ako. So they are meeting this escalator. So it's in there. So we here. Sana all. Charge. Ayun, chai. Binidyo ko talaga yun. Sana all may partner. Peter lang, Sindor. So, dito tayo kasi konting tao doon kaysa doon. Super lot of tao and so many. So, we're here. So, konting tao dito. Walang tao dito sa ito banda. But, doon po banda, daming tao. So, the train to Kennedy Town is now arriving.